Quid to the World.
Quid to the World.
Quid to the World is taking you on a journey in the UK. It's grey, it's bleaky because we're having a thunder outpour of rain. But anyway, please sit back and enjoy the ride. We're making our way to Costco to do the family shopping. Okay, so we're taking you along with us. Okay, please remember to subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button and the notification bell. Please subscribe to the channel and support us to help our channel grow. Thank you very much. And for all the new subscribers and all the new, you just watching for the first time, come back again. Mr. Quid will sure to have new videos out on a regular daily basis. Okay, so keep up to date with us, guys. Bye, enjoy the journey. Bye bye.
We're on A2 right about now, heading towards Blackpool Tunnel, straight into A46, which will take us down to Chelmsford.
It's very grey.
Enjoy the virtual drive. The weather is bad. I hope you can see through the windscreen. Sit back and relax. A virtual drive. Quid to the world.
Quid to the world! Quid to the world!
You still there? You waiting? Hit that like button, mate. Come on, Ruff. Yeah, that's it. Thumbs up. Yeah.
We are approaching the Blackwall Tunnel. Hopefully there's no traffic at this time. Like we said, guys, it's really rainy. No, the weather is not looking so good at all. The weather forecast states there should be thunder outpours. But however, this is UK. It comes with the weather, okay? That's what makes UK unique, the weather. Just a bit of traffic getting into the tunnel, that is expected. It's Blackwall Tunnel, it's Blackwall Tunnel. Just a bit of traffic, nothing major. Just have to keep to our lane, keep focus on the road.
Due to the road work,
There's
it's making changes in Blackwall Tunnel. They seem to be putting some toll gates going to come through soon. So I think that's what all this adjustment is.
or maybe new road layout, you know, maybe to
Oh, it's
add
definitely
more.
a toll gate coming in.
Okay, you know more than me, I don't know. So, can someone comment in the write in the comment box if they know what's going on, if it's a new toll gate or just a new road layout? Please let us know, guys. Educate us. Thank you.
Soon we'll be paying to go to East London.
You'll be paying. He do the driving, not me. I just sit back and put my feet up. I hate driving.
All this while is free. At least you could avoid Blackpool Tunnel by using Blackwall Tunnel, but soon it won't be like that anymore.
If you like the video so far, don't forget to hit the notification, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, share the video, and continue to come back to our channel, guys. Thank you. We're inside Blackwall Tunnel now.
Quite tight in here. 2 lanes, but you gotta learn to keep to your lane. If you're driving in Blackwall Tunnel, you must observe the bends, because most vehicles sway when it comes to bends.
Not every driver know how to take a bend or drive on a curve, so just have to look out, focus.
Be very careful to keep within the lanes and watch the white line in the middle of the road. And don't hit the cones in the road, because that could drift your car as well.
I myself never driven under this tunnel. I think I've only drove once. Never like it. So I let Mr. Quid, Mrs. Quid, Mr. Quid do all the driving, especially when we're gonna be driving the Blackwall Tunnel where he do the driving. So I never like it. It's scary for me. So I'd rather be the passenger. You know how the thing go.
Well, that's normal, eh?
It's not normal. I see lots of female driver. You know, I wish they're brave enough. Drive even better.
Yeah, but if you're sitting there, you're more relaxed.
Yeah. But I don't have the guts. I think I'm just gonna hit the curb or gonna go mop up the wing lights, the wing mirror. He's gonna come off, so no.
You wouldn't be the first other people doing it, so you might as well join the team of people that's just, you know, scraping their cars on the wall.
That's how it feels like to me the first time when I said no, I will never do this again. It was really scary. So, no.
It's 20 miles an hour in here. You mean to drive only 20 miles an hour. There's a camera entrance to the tunnel, and there's a camera when you're coming out. But outside the tunnel, you're back to 30, back on the dual carriageway, which is 40 as well. So I keep cutting down the speed. I think the speed limit is too low anyway. So we're on the A12.
Guys, we just exit the Blackwall Tunnel. We are now on the A12 and we're continuing with our journey. Continue watching, guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Woo!
Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit notification bell to get notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Thank you. Once again, QUID to the world.
And guys, and if he doesn't put up new videos, I will be on his case.
Might not be traffic light there.
Okay.
They come to look at this in the traffic, the one we get onto what's it called? The other part what's it called? After Stratford Junction of A12. That part leads to A46. I was thinking probably this side would have been better going through A13. They still got to come up again. The more you go in, the more you go down the bottom towards A13, the wider it is. Yeah. Like you're doing it twice, because the length of going to the bottom of A13, then coming back again to the end where you're meant to catch up with A12, A12 linked into A46. I think you're doing more miles that way.
Janet Jackson, the younger sister of Michael Jackson.
Oh, sorry, can't play music just to prevent.
No, it's the poster I just saw. There's a poster. Seems like maybe there's a concert or a new album she's coming out with. I'm not sure.
I don't think she will come out with any album. I think it's a concert.
Why not? Sometimes they come up with a new album and then there's a concert to follow.
Yeah, radio would have played it.
You never know. When was the last time you listened to the radio? If I didn't put on Capital Reload, you forgot about radio.
Well, radio stations not saying anymore these days anyway. All the nice radio stations are all gone. I really don't waste my time.
Capital Radio, Capital Reload is where my radio stays on. Capital Reload, you get the mixture of the old school and everything in between. You get a good variety. So yeah. There may be traffic.
I'm not sure. Once we go past Homington Junction, you know where they did what's it called? Where they did an Olympic water sport training just around the corner. Once you go past from Lee Valley, once you go through there, then that's when we can tell. Okay. Just about where the Olympic Village is.
Okay. I pray that they got carrot cake though. Favorite cake.
It was nice. I haven't had one for years now.
Well, they might sold out now, innit? We might get there and it's all sold out.
They actually bake them, I think, every few hours. So basically,
oh, so you know that?
Rates to the day. Yeah, because when you go there, like.
You work for Costco now?
No, I don't.
How you know?
I myself. Yeah, because when we go there sometime in the evening, you see them bringing out some out.
Well, we haven't been to Costco for about 3 years now.
No, what do you mean 3 years? You just about possibly about a year and a half. You haven't been.
We haven't been to Costco since COVID.
No,
I've not been to Costco since COVID. So how come you didn't buy the carrot cake then?
Yeah, I've been buying carrot cake. You've been eating carrot cake.
I haven't eaten carrot cake since COVID.
Yes, I've been buying.
Oh well. Is there something you need to tell me?
It was last year's membership I didn't bring you,
I need to do a little bit of investigation.
Well, join the police then,
I can't remember the last time I eat any carrot cake from Costco since COVID.
Yeah, how would you know if you're fit? You're enjoying it.
But you're telling me you bought me carrot cake last year, and I can't recall that. So I think I need to do a little bit of investigating. Mr. Quid, is there something you'd like to tell me?
purple badge, then I say.
Because I don't have a twin sister.
I can say, show me your purple badge. If you go badge, then you can ask me questions.
What is the purple? I don't know anything about the purple. The popo has nothing to do with it. The popo will say this is a domestic family issue between a husband and wife. They will not get involved. Okay?
You want to investigate it?
I don't need the police to do that.
Okay. If you can't investigate, you might as well invest in what I'm doing. Okay. That's a better way of doing it.
Okay. We shall see.
Well, like I said, the Lord will see you through. As always. Shit, these guys looking to come through.
So where are we now? Because I don't remember the road.
No, it's A12.
Where?
A12 still, yeah. It leads right into A406.
A406.
A406 takes us straight onto Costco.
We should have gone to the Costco Thorough. That's a better one.
By this time, you'll be getting stuck on Bexley A43 motorway.
But we could use a toll road and pay the congestion charges.
But now we got the, what's it called? We got the account, we got money in it. Although we haven't used it, I still renew.
Okay.
I renew the account, there's money in there.
Oh yeah.
So once we go through, we don't need to pay it, just automatically deducted from the funds we got in there for that first crossing account.
Okay. It's funny that though the rain doesn't seem heavy over this side.
Yeah, it just probably reduced, isn't it? Whoa, I think we're coming into traffic.
Oh, we're approaching traffic, guys. We're approaching a bit of traffic.
This is Chingsford traffic and what do you call it? And Leytonstone traffic.
Guys, I really crave for the carrot cake. Do you think we're gonna make it to Costco before it's sold out? I'll keep you posted. I really love the carrot cake. Why do there have to be traffic at this time? It's not rush hour yet. It's just.
Wait, when you finish work, you was rushing home,
it's just 10:03, yeah.
Yeah, the same way other people finish work, they think some people going home.
Yeah, but the average time is 9 till 5.
No, some of these people start at 6, some start at 7, some start at 8.
What, you know everybody rota now?
Yeah, same thing when I was here. When I was going to Essex,
but it's still not rush
morning,
hour.
I leave home at 6 o'clock, finish at 4 or 3 something.
Okay.
And everyone's driving. Some people don't take their break, innit? Rather than taking break, they walk through their break so they go that 1 hour less. Has to go through traffic.
Okay.
Everyone trying to catch that traffic on time to avoid the heavy traffic.
That lane, maybe you need to go into that lane. That lane seems to go going a bit faster.
Yeah. Sometimes to go in there and just come off of this slow. But people coming off it to go on there.
Quid to the world. Subscribe.
See, that lane's faster.
Now that link. Oh,
That's what I'm saying to you.
oh, life is unpredictable. Then this is why they
So we
say.
got 2 tunnels to go through.
Yeah. This is why they say you must stick to the devil that you know. So go back to that lane.
No. When you keep changing like that, it does. It's
Okay.
best to stay in one place.
But we're gonna exit from the left anyway, so might as well we
Definitely.
stay on this lane.
There's no. You would never find any motor where you exit from the right.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because
That'd be crazy, isn't it? That'd be deadly. See, the reason I stay on that lane because there's no way you could come off.
But
here.
in Spain, we exit from the right, didn't we?
No. Remember, Spain
In
is a
Barcelona.
left-hand drive.
Yeah.
UK is a right-hand drive. So it's the same way. If you reverse it and you're driving, say you reverse this road and you drive like this, the same way you're gonna exit from your left as well.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Quid. You're very good at
Yeah, it's true,
geography.
isn't it? It makes sense. That's maps.
No. I didn't like geography.
Because your gear's still gonna be on the right. If you're driving, so your gear will be on the right-hand side. In UK, your gear stick is on the left-hand side.
Okay. Speaking of gear stick, would you ever go back to driving a manual car? You remember the cars with the big, the long gear stick?
It don't make any
Would
sense.
you go back?
I prefer manual.
If they should reinvent them and bring them back in, would you ever back? Would you buy a car
you enjoy
with
more
no?
driving with manual. With manual, when you drive, you enjoy it. You could smart. You could do stunts with it. You could shift with gear 1, gear 2, not to 16 seconds with 2. And when you spin it right onto 3 or 4, it goes zoom.
No, I
No
will.
one
I
catch
will
you.
never go back to manual. Sorry, no.
If you're driving a nice
Automatic
car,
is the best
and
thing
you're burning
ever.
2, you could catch any car.
Automatic is the best thing ever since sliced bread. Until maybe they come up with driverless car.
Well, I mean,
Maybe that's the next thing.
It's your preference how you drive.
No, I
But
will
if
never
you
go
use-
back to manual. I'm sorry. Nope.
If you've driven a car the way
Especially in UK
people
traffic.
drive it,
No, Jose. Nope. Nope. Not for me.
see the reason why this lane's slow?
Why?
Because people are getting in from the left-hand side.
Okay, so they're joining on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when they join, every time they join, it pushed one car back. It pushed the other car back. It pushed the other car back. So I'm gonna go back onto that lane now. The stewardess is waiting for me to get in before he decides to.
Mister.
So from the second turn up, we're gonna exit anyway.
That's why I don't like to drive. Guys, are you still with us? I hope you all are. Please, reminder to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, recommend us to a friend. You never know what we got in store. Okay, we are a growing family, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Quid. We're just exploring and learning as we go. So guys, subscribe and be on this journey and this development with us. Watch our growth. Okay, give us some idea. Tell us where you would like us to drive to. Comment and let us know in the UK. Okay. Comment below, guys, where would you like us to drive to? Dorset? I would love to go to Dorset. Never been down there. Excuse me.
That's far from London.
I heard it's beautiful, so why
The
not?
seaside.
Yep. There's some girls at work saying, "Oh, Ruth, you should go down to Dorset." I said, "Okay. One day." So, guys, would you like us to do a video down in Dorset? Give us a thumbs up and let us know, and we will
Driving so slow on this, you know.
make it possible to make it happen. Okay, but you need to be in that lane.
Yeah, I'm cutting it from behind this guy, but they're driving so slow. both lanes could take you right to the motorway as well if you want.
He's not giving you any leeway. Maybe he's telling you to go on the motorway.
Stupid is stupid, isn't it? Man on the motorway now. Look. There's them going to beg you to change lane.
So which road is this now?
This A406.
Still on the A406?
No, we just come off the A12.
Okay.
Why is this guy driving so slow?
Oh, this.
Yeah, and this other guy wanna come off. He's blocking him. We're on A46 now. Looks like there's rain on this side.
Yeah, it looks really dry. It was pouring down.
It's funny, the road is clear, there's no traffic.
So let's get to Costco safely and hope there's a carrot cake for me.
I'm not even driving fast, I'm driving
Let's
slow.
get to Costco safely and a carrot cake for me. Okay.
That A46 London. Just going past the exit for Waffles too.
Let's get the carrot cake for me.
Where's this guy running to? Tell you, look.
Well,
He's gonna come in here.
I
There's a
know.
lady drive, bring his foot down, bring his foot down. Not
I've seen it here. Just focus. My palm is scratching. It's really itching.
She's, I'm gonna be giving you money, innit?
£1 million. That will be a day when I see that happen.
You never know.
You gave me £1 million. You will give me 1
Hey,
million.
if I win lottery, I'll give you £1 million.
It depends on how many you win in the lottery.
If I win first prize, I'll give you £1 million.
see Costco in sight. If you're with us this far, I can see Costco in sight. Thank you for staying with us on our journey to Costco. And hopefully I will get my beloved carrot cake. There's at least one waiting for me. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, we're in Costco right now. 846 London, Kingsford.
All the car parking.
There's a thing, there's a car showroom.
Oh, okay.
Over there as well, on the other side there.
Costco wasn't like this.
Yeah, it's always like this, you just forgotten.
Should park a bit closer just in case if the rain.
No, we'll park on this line because we always use this side as much. If not, I'll just go. It's much easier when you're getting out.
Okay.
Not too.
You are the driver, I am the passenger.
See, there's spaces. That person is still parking some stuff. I'll park it under the tree.
Under the tree.
Take your time. Thank you. With your Costco, the spaces are quite massive.
Yeah.
So just quite.
Not too bad compared to some of the car park.
No, because their ones are not normal UK London size. They're just.
Some of the driving
Yeah.
lanes.
Quick to the word, thank you for staying here. Thank you for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, if you're just joining in, please subscribe. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Also the notification bell, so in case I upload new videos, you would get to be notified and be one of the first to watch the video. Once again, thank you. Hit that like button, share the video with friends and family, tell a friend or whoever it is, tell your uncle, tell your mom, tell your dad, whoever it is. Let them see that virtual drive of London. We're showing you about London atmosphere, what it is like if you're looking to travel to London, if you're looking to come to London sometime, or your friends or family member coming to London, you could share the video with them to have an idea what it is like living in London, what the roads are like.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Quick to the word.
Guys,
Bye
we're
for
in
now.
Costco. Hope we get my carrot cake. And I promise I will let him take a video of me getting my carrot cake.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.